Hey, welcome to the Cooking for Man channel. We're going to keep it simple tonight. We're going to be doing some pork. Obviously, pork's not that popular with the family, so the best thing you want to do, if you wrap it in bacon, amazingly enough, it's not pork anymore, even if bacon is pork. The kids don't seem to taste it like if it's pork. So a bit of goat cheese. Don't put too much on it. It's going to melt and it's going to be all over your barbecue. Just enough that, you can spread it throughout. And put some parsley to cover that up. Get some green on it. What I'm going to do after that, I'm going to get a piece of saran wrap. I'm going to lay it on my butcher block, and then I'm going to start doing my basket weave for my bacon. The basket weave, it doesn't have to be pretty. As long as you cover the entire piece of meat, you'll be fine. Generally with just one pack of bacon will be good enough. Then you can wrap all that up into your saran wrap, and then you can put that back in the fridge, waiting for supper. This will take about an hour to cook. I'm going for 63 at the most. You can probably pull it out around the 58. They'll do the trick also. That's what it should look like when it's cooked. And then obviously when you look at the inside, you get the goat cheese with the parsley. Makes it taste real good. So have a good one. Enjoy. Thanks.